Oh yeah, lifespan.
Oh, okay. But you really want to do this? Not for customer. Because oh, this is right here. Right there. This way. Because that's the other one that good up. And some of the people steal them off.
What's that? What's up, you guys? So right now we're just walking on 1,400 acres of land in Trelawny, Jamaica. The land is really, really big. This is only like half of it. So we're just walking down some path. And it's so hot right now. I have on a long sleeve and this hat. I have on sunscreen, but I didn't put any on my arms. So sun is crazy. So I'm here looking crazy with this hat and this jacket on. I have on long sleeve because these mosquitoes out here are crazy.
Going down is easy now, going back up.
I know.
Nice workout.
Yep, this is my workout for the day for sure. I'm not cut out for this. The last time I hiked was like back in 2018 with my friends in Canada, actually. So yeah, let's keep on walking before these bugs eat me up. Yeah, it's so hot. I'm so tired. I'm hungry. So after this, we're gonna go back on the main road and find something to eat. So yeah. So I will see you guys when we're at a restaurant somewhere around here.
Our bus. Chicken spring rolls.
Good choice. It's like chewy.
Outside. Here, sir. For the same building, but outside. Okay. When I go outside, I turn left pocket. Right,
What happened? Was still hurting you?
Still.
Not sure yet. What do you? Let's get the wrong punch.
So that it wasn't an accident.
You guys have anything with like anything special, like a lime for him, like a lime ginger type juice thing? No sugar in it, like lime, ginger, like no sugar.
Oh, but fruit punch we're gonna have.
Yeah, not fruit punch, just like
That's real fruit.
yeah.
And if it gets right, it hits the moon. No, they're not natural, trust me. If you can blend up something, what kind of fruits you have?
We could do this
What kind of fruits you have?
blended. Papaya, pine,
Watermelon.
watermelon,
Okay. What else?
and
Some lime juice, some ginger.
Thank you.
It's better than Chrome by far.
Again, sugar.
Ready. Shout out your Instagram.
My Instagram is Landale Mackenzie.
Period.
LandaleMckenzie. H, no E, it's a H at the ending.
Y'all heard that.
Yeah, we're at Sharky's and my TikTok is also Landale, Landale with a dot official.